As you can see, this is OPC Expert software that is very useful to troubleshoot OPC DA settings or OPC server settings, right? So I'm going to you go to Tools, Options, then Enable in general, then enable the essential OPC features. So if any services are blocked by the windows or firewalls, it would be enabled, and CAP server would be shown in your WinCC software, right? Otherwise, for some students, it might, for some it automatically works, for some you have to use OPC Expert software. Then right now I'm opening CAP server to monitor my tags from CAP server in OPC Expert, right? So there are different OPC softwares to do such things. I'm using OPC Expert, right? So this is my CAP server software, which is free to download, and I will launch OPC Client. OPC Quick Client that is used to monitor tags, right? I'll go to System, and then for example, I'm using system tags over here, system_time, right? So in OPC Expert, I'm going to go into System and Time. This is my automatic tag, and as you can see, the time is being updated from CAP server, and you can observe the same time in OPC Expert as well. That means CAP server is successfully working in our Windows 10 in our computer or laptop. Thank you.